Oh man, Tank Garage fam, what an absolutely incredible experience at Quail. We're actually one day later, super tired, absolutely burned. You guys can see in my face, I have literal sunburns everywhere. Waking up at the Airbnb right next to the beautiful beach here in Aptos. Today we're heading to Pebble Beach for our last day here. I've kind of been enjoying everything and not recording that much with the XC70. Just seize the moment, guys. These are types of moments at your life that you have to really just enjoy. Let's get going. Let's get in the XC70 and head to Pebble Beach. What do you have to say to the camera, Evgeny?
Engine.
Owen, what do you have to say to the vlog?
I hate cameras.
What about you, Dan?
Pebble Beach.
We don't even know where we're going. This would make a hard photo. I have no idea what that car is, but it has a jet engine strapped to the back of it. How loud is this thing? Oh my god. Tank Garage fam, I know most of you guys are Volvo enthusiasts, but what's about to come right in front of me in the next few moments is quite literally one of the rarest automobiles on the earth, the Mercedes-Benz C1000. Let me pan around. This thing is an absolute spaceship. Look at that front end, and with the rear end, rear three-quarter, absolutely insanity. Look at those wheels. The C1000, ladies and gentlemen. It's incredible.
With the Mercedes,
look that way.
1.6 litre V8 twin turbo engine. Basically, a group C.
Hey, no way! Woo! Let's go! Hey! Let's go! Congratulations! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Wow! Wow! Let's go, baby! Proposal at Pebble Beach Concourse d'Elegance. Real nice. But
could you do it yourself, Tim?
I probably could, but not everyone can. Only the special people can.
Very original-minded people can produce such design. Now, since we are not VIP, we kind of had to park a little far. And as you guys can hear from my voice, I'm absolutely dying. I'm thirsty. We've been walking for hours. It's an uphill the whole way. We've been walking for like a mile and a half, and we're about to get to the cars. Successful. Man, these vlogs were all over the place, guys. But this was one of the most insane weeks of my life. Met some of the best people I've ever met. I'm so stoked for Monterey 2025 because I might have found my next build. If I can finish the X60R on time, will be one of the craziest builds in Tank Garage history. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See ya, boys.